Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, the day is finally here. Matt White's Bronco is going in the shop today and we're going to start ripping it apart. It's getting a 6-inch lift, BDS lift, and a set of 35-inch Dick CPEX. So we're going to try and do a little better video on this one. It might be a 2 or a 3-part series and document everything that we're running into and how it goes. So here we go. It's going in the shop right now. Absolutely most important thing is spray absolutely everything with fluid film. Matt's been spraying this thing down for almost a month, I think now, hoping that all of these awesome rusty bolts are going to come free so that we can stick all of that in there. Doesn't look like there's a lot to the kit. I think the worst part of the kit's going to be just all the rusty old bolts. And then maybe later on we'll do the trailing arm. There we go, we're started, it's coming apart. Already what I'm liking about this lift kit is they actually give you little leaf spring alignment clips. You get new bolts for your leaf springs because you're adding some leaves. All of the bushings for the shocks are actually the same size holes, not like a Chevy. Some of them got a bigger top one and different size lower one, but so far liking how it's all packaged. We did have to get a set of ProComp extended brake lines. But so far, liking how it's packaged and liking the way this kit's laid out. So we have the rear suspension together. Shocks are in. You get a couple of drop brackets right here, which fit really nicely for your sway bar. You get 2 leaf springs that go in the middle, so you got to separate your leaf spring pack. On our particular situation, the factory block has broken in half, so we welded it together until we can pick up another one, and we found another set already, so we'll have to replace that. The drive shaft's in, shocks are in. Working on the front now. We'll have this thing together after the weekend. Just to give you a quick look, it is way bigger than we planned on. I don't think anybody's ever complained about their truck being too big. So now we're on to the front stuff. All the horrible seized bolts on the front end. Passenger side on the trailing arm came out just fine, but the driver's side is not working for us, so working on that right now. There you go, there's your weekly update for Friday. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.